When you buy a big lettuce and you only need a few of the leaves, what do you do with the rest for it to last longer? Well, this is my little trick. Get a plastic bag and place some damp paper toweling in the bottom. Wash your lettuce leaves and separate them, and then place them into the bag. And then to make sure they stay really crisp, place another piece of damp towel over the top, seal the bag, and just release any air in that bag. And this will last for 2 weeks as opposed to just placing it in the crisper unwrapped. Now for herbs, we can use the same concept. Wrap your basil up in some damp towel and just for extra assurance, get some cling wrap and then wrap it up nice and tightly. This is going to make your herbs last for 3 weeks as opposed to 1 week. If you leave them in the fridge unwrapped, well, they're going to wilt and darken. This is the best way to store it so we don't waste food.